Ayushi Nair, roll number 9. My topic is prostaglandins. Prostaglandins are the products of long-chain fatty acids. Arachidonic acid is the precursor for biosynthesis of all prostaglandins. The enzyme involved are arachidonic acid is converted to prostaglandins with the help of cyclooxygenase enzyme, and another substance obtained is leukotrienes with the help of lipooxygenase. Membrane phospholipid is converted into arachidonic acid with the help of phospholipase A2. Arachidonic acid is further converted into prostaglandins with the help of cyclooxygenase enzyme and converted into leukotrienes with the help of lipooxygenase enzyme. Different prostaglandins are PGI2, PGF2 alpha, PGE2, PGD2, TXA2. PGI2 helps in vasodilation, inhibition of platelet aggregation. PGF2 alpha helps in lowering intraocular pressure. PGE2 helps in GI protection, platelet function, kidney function, regulation of blood flow. PGD2 helps in vasodilation, bronchoconstriction. Thromboxane A2 helps in platelet aggregation, regulation of blood flow. Effects and uses of prostaglandins: helps to prevent platelet aggregation, pyrexia, sensitization of peripheral nerves, maintain patency of ductus arteriosus in neonates with congenital heart disease, pulmonary hypertension, glaucoma in uterus, abortion, cervical priming, induction of labor, postpartum hemorrhage, erectile dysfunction in GIT, promote healing of peptic ulcer, increase peristaltic movements, purging effect, diarrhea. Preparation and uses: dinoprostone, induction of labor, midterm abortion, termination of pregnancy; carboprost, midterm abortion, control of postpartum hemorrhage; misoprostol, peptic ulcer, abortion. Therapeutic uses of prostaglandins in obstetrics: abortion. Prostaglandins stimulate uterine contraction and causes ripening of cervix. Dinoprostone, induction of mid-trimester abortion. Misoprostol, induce abortion in early pregnancy. Carboprost, induce abortion in second trimester of pregnancy. Induction of labor: prostaglandin can be used to soften the cervix for induction of labor. PGE2 helps in softening and dilation of cervix. Carboprost, misoprost used to control postpartum hemorrhage. The adverse effects are nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, fever, flushing, hypotension, backache due to uterine contractions. Thank you.